Have you ever seen epoxy art that looks like molten lava flowing across the surface? Bright, glowing lines, deep dark cracks, organic movement that feels alive. And you just stop and think, how is that even made? That is lava design epoxy. And while it looks complex, once you understand the technique, you can create it yourself. Welcome back to Hainin Epoxy, Hainin Resin and Craft. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a lava epoxy design, what materials to use, how to control the flow, how to get that glowing lava effect, and how professionals make it look clean and realistic. This is not just art. This is controlled chaos. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is lava epoxy design? Let's understand what we're creating. Definition. Lava epoxy design is an artistic technique where epoxy is manipulated to look like flowing lava, cracked volcanic surfaces, glowing magma lines, key elements, dark base like rock, bright flowing lines like lava, organic movement, high contrast, where it's used, wall art, tabletops, decor panels, epoxy boards. Key takeaway. Lava design is about contrast and movement. Part 2. Materials you need. Let's prepare properly. Essential materials. Epoxy resin. Coating epoxy recommended. Hardener. Pigments. Black base. Red. Orange. Yellow. Optional. Metallic pigments. Fluorescent pigments. Tools. Mixing cups. Stirring sticks. Heat gun or hair dryer. Torch optional. Gloves. Surface. Wood panel. MDF board. Canvas board. Pro tip. A smooth, sealed surface gives better flow. Part 3. Preparing your surface. This step defines your result. Steps. Sand the surface. Remove dust. Apply primer or base coat. Why? Epoxy needs clean surface, good bonding, controlled absorption. Optional. Paint the base black for stronger lava contrast. Key takeaway. Preparation creates control. Part 4. Understanding color strategy. This is where the magic begins. Base color, black or very dark color, represents burned rock, volcanic surface, lava colors, red, orange, yellow. How colors work. Yellow equals hottest center. Orange equals middle heat. Red equals outer lava. Pro tip. Layer colors to create depth. Part 5. Mixing epoxy. Let's do this professionally. Step 1. Measure accurately. Follow ratio exactly. Step 2. Mix slowly. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes. Scrape sides and bottom. Step 3. Wait. Let epoxy sit for 3 to 5 minutes. This reduces bubbles. Step 4. Divide into cups. Separate epoxy into multiple cups for colors. Step 5. Add pigments. Black, main portion. Small amounts for lava colors. Key takeaway. Good mixing equals smooth design. Part 6. Pouring the base. Start with your foundation. Step. Pour black epoxy across the surface. Spread evenly. Tool. Use spatula or spreader. Important. Do not overwork it. Result. A smooth, dark base layer. Part 7. Creating the lava flow. Now comes the art. Step 1. Pour lava colors in lines or cracks. Step 2. Use red first, base lava line. Step 3. Add orange on top or inside. Step 4. Add yellow in the center. Visual effect. Creates depth and heat illusion. Pro tip. Keep lines organic. Avoid straight patterns. Part 8. Using heat to create movement. This is where lava comes alive. Tool. Heat gun or hair dryer. How to use. Gently push colors. Blend edges. Create flow. Important. Do not overheat. What happens? Colors expand. Edges soften. Flow becomes natural. Key takeaway. Heat is your brush. Part 9. Adding texture and depth. To make it realistic. Techniques. Stretch lines. Break edges. Create cracks. Optional. Add metallic or glow pigments. Result. Dynamic lava movement. Part 10. Bubble control. Bubbles are normal. How to remove. Use torch lightly. Use heat gun. Warning: too much heat damages epoxy. Key takeaway: gentle passes only. Part 11. Final adjustments. Now refine your design. Check. Balance. Flow. Contrast. Do not overwork epoxy at this stage. Professional skill. Knowing when to stop. Part 12. Curing process. Now we wait. Conditions: dust-free environment. Stable temperature. Time: 24 to 48 hours. Touch dry. Full cure in several days. Important: do not touch surface. Part 13. Optional top coat. For extra gloss and protection. Step: apply clear epoxy top coat. Result: deep glass-like finish. Part 14. Common mistakes. Avoid these: using too much heat, overmixing colors, making straight patterns, using too many colors, rushing the process. Result: messy design, no contrast, no depth. Part 15. Pro tips. Here's what professionals do differently. Plan design before pouring. Use controlled color amounts. Work slowly. Trust epoxy flow. Stop at the right time. Mindset: you guide epoxy, you don't fight it. Final message: lava epoxy design is not random. It's controlled creativity. It's about contrast, movement, balance, timing. At Hainin Epoxy, Hainin Resin and Craft, we don't just teach epoxy, we teach how to turn it into art. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Hainin Epoxy. Like the video, share it with someone who loves epoxy art. We're also building members-only content where we go deeper into advanced art techniques, real projects, and business skills. If you want to level up faster, consider becoming a member. And I'm still waiting for my first super thanks. If you want to support the channel, I truly appreciate it. Be one of the unforgettable viewers from the beginning. Remember, epoxy is not just material. It's expression, and your creativity is the limit. I'll see you in the next video.